Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is September the 10th, and I just wanted to give you a really fast update on this plant, which was one that I started from a slice of tomato. So you take a slice of tomato with a lot of seeds and just plant it, and this is what came about from those seeds. So that's pretty impressive. Since my last video, we had a windstorm and this little plant blew over and 3 of them fell to the ground. So those are 3 there, and I've got quite a few more here in the plant. I've got some little flowers going on. Unfortunately, you can see that our growing season is almost over now. You can see a lot of the plant is starting to die off, and that's the same thing for my main garden. It's within the last 2 weeks. It has really started to, start to just drop off. I'll have to show you a video probably in the next couple of days of that area. But anyway, I just wanted to show you that, so we do have a little bit of yield on this plant. So pretty impressive. I've got, what, 3 in there, and there's 3 here, and there's 3 in the back there. So that's pretty good. Nothing up here. But anyway, I just wanted to show you that it is indeed possible to grow a tomato plant and get a yield from a little slice of tomato. So that's it for this really fast video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and I'll catch you on the next one. If you made it this far, thanks very much for watching. On the screen, you have 4 choices. You can watch either one of the 2 videos on the left-hand side, or you can subscribe to my channel by clicking at the top, or if you're into baking, then you can check out my recipe channel, Bake Like a Pro, by clicking down at the bottom.